Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
No market.
Dudette, say what up, it's your boy, man. I am stupid excited today. Finally got Hitman's bike back together with the modifications we did, but more importantly, we just got the ECU back from Evan from EJR. So I'm stupid excited, man. So this is gonna be a first ride, first startup of everything. Y'all, I am so dang excited. I can tell you already, it just sounds like the idle is just strong, bro. It sounds way stronger than what it was before. So I'm super excited to get on this bike. I do have to make a few adjustments on the dash, but I am late meeting Groot, so I'll do that once I get to the gas station to meet Groot. So my cousin opted to get the ECU flash and the quick shifter adjustment, which also added auto blip to the stock quick shifter. So we're gonna see how that works, see how that runs on the bike. Ooh, it sounds good. The throttle's super responsive, man. Man, I am, boy, I can't tell you how excited. I got that little nervous in my stomach, but I'm excited for this, man. Whew. I can tell you from riding this bike before, I would balls to the wall this bike and was not scared like at all, which it was stock minus the minus the slip-on exhaust. It was stock, but I would balls to the wall this thing. And the reason y'all seen me beat Hitman a couple times when he was on my bike is he was in second, but I was starting first on this thing, and I was, dude, it wasn't even no thing. It didn't even matter, bro. Like, I was good. I was good. Okay, dude. Okay. And what's impressive about that? That was nowhere near full throttle. That was just a woo. Now I can already tell you the amount of low end this bike is picked up. Now also, Hitman did change his gearing, so he went up a tooth in the rear. So between that and the sprocket change, for me, the rideability, I'm thinking it's going to be greatly improved, because when you ride on the street, that down low, that mid-range, that's what you use all the time. You know what I mean? So just to get out the way like that felt pretty daggone good, and that wasn't full throttle. So I'm actually excited to see what full throttle feels like. So yeah, I'm not sure if I said it. We meeting up with Groot today, and Groot's going to help me test the bike out, man. We go... Man, this auto blip is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Woo! Yep. It ain't ready yet. The tire just slipped out on me. It is not ready yet. Oh, you know what? 1 second. Dang. I forgot to change this setting on here. Let me see if I know how to do this. Okay, I think that's it.
This one, man, you gotta like turn it on, turn it off.
Dude, Evan told me to set this to 14,000. Man, this quick shifter is butter. And that normal riding speeds, oh my god. Look, did you hear that? I'm doing no miles an hour. No miles an hour. Shift. Auto blip. Dude, that's pretty daggone good. This is reminding me of the S1000. All right, let's see how you do. Oh man, this auto blip is too good. Evan, you got to chill, bro. This auto blip is too good. That joint is butter. Oh, this joint feels good. Still got Groot back there, heck yeah. Auto blip down. Boy, this joint is smooth, boy. Smooth, very nice. This auto blip is, oh my gosh, this thing is beautiful. Oh man, I wish I had this on Deadshot. My other Blip is not that smooth. Because my bike is so old, I had to either go like, look, you gonna be smooth when you full throttle shifted, or you gonna be smooth at normal ride. And I was like, give me the full throttle. Give me the full throttle. Thing feels good, super stable, super planet. It's not jerky. The tune is extremely smooth on this bike, extremely smooth. What you get from the throttle, what you twist is what you get from the throttle. This is very, very good. Very, like, it's predictable. You can feel the power is there. You know, if you squeeze more, if you twist more, it is there. But it's so predictable. You know, sometimes you might get a tune, or sometimes the stock tune is a little jerky. No. This is smooth, man. Very smooth. Motorcycle hat. Wheel. Extremely smooth. Very predictable. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, see, the road's a little damp, so, you know, I'm going to chill a little bit. Oh, you know what? Thank you. I appreciate that. You didn't have to go in the splash like that, but I appreciate that, though. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Very smooth, very predictable. Man, this is EJR, bro. This is beautiful. A lot of people look at your tunes for just smackdown power. But dude, oh my God, I'm loving this. This is very predictable, man. Very confidence inspiring, bro. It's like instantly. It's very, very extremely confident inspiring, man. And the power is down. And the auto Blip. You got to chill, bro. You got to chill. This might be a side that people never knew about or never was interested in. Holy crap, bro. This is very good on the street. Oh my gosh, bro. I am impressed. If this is what it does on the street for how I would ride, and y'all know how your boy get down. Boy, just imagine when I actually twist the throttle. Sheesh. Even on a cloudy day, red top is good. And I appreciate my guy Groot coming out to hang out with me, man. I love this place. Absolutely love this place, man. So freaking peaceful. It's cool, man. Got the RV crew going through there. Wow, the pickup is there, bro. The pickup is definitely there. This turn always gets me, man. Always confuses me. Solid, very solid. Very good. Very nice. I am it's not many times I'm left speechless, but I am thoroughly impressed with this bike. My gosh, dude, Evan, bro, miles ahead of what it was, man. And I thought it was decent before. Miles ahead. Hitman, you're going to be extremely impressed with this. Extremely impressed. The rideability, for me, that's the takeaway. I mean, I know I'm going to enjoy the power once I get to it, but the rideability for me right now is just, it's taking cake right now. It's taking king. Like, I'm feeling good. Like, I normally don't feel this good on a bike this fast, but this feels pretty daggum good, man. This feels good, man. I'm digging it. I forgot which way the road went. I had to slow down. I smooth forgot which way it went. Yeah, I don't want this to be a really long episode. I'm definitely jumping on the highway, but I am thoroughly impressed right now. We passed that that RV. I had no idea we was gonna catch up like that. Look at this. I'm doing 35 miles an hour third gear. Let me switch up to fourth. 30 miles an hour fourth. Let me switch up to fifth. 30 miles an hour in fifth. Let me switch up to sixth. 35 miles an hour in sixth gear, and this bike is perfectly fine, bro. It is hard to be the inline four. The rideability of an inline four auto blips work. I don't even get how that's even possible. Deadshot would have cartwheeled me off this thing. Like, Mungus, get off. What are you doing? Dang, we got stuck by traffic in both ways.
That's why I don't come up here that much. There's always traffic.
Yeah, you have to come early in the morning, which we couldn't do because it was wet.
Have you ever been on the back side of it?
No, what's that? All right, we're gonna follow Mr. Groot. He gonna take us around. It's a new way. Apparently there's a backside of red top that I didn't know. Woo! I didn't know he was doing that. Now, because he's leading, I'm gonna definitely make sure I leave him space. ZX10 feels good. I don't know if it's the bike or if it's the tune. Now the bike, I did like the bike before, but man, this tune has completely changed it. I mean, completely changed what I'm feeling. I need to leave him more space. Now I definitely have a faster pace, but it's not, like I said, there's no competition. No one's trying to have a faster pace or nothing like that. It's just, you want to be safe, you know, if you can. If you see, hey, you need to leave space, dude, leave space, ain't no big deal. You know what I mean? Like, bro, we still out here having an amazing time out here on our two-wheel. Very nice. Oh my God. This tune, bro, has completely transformed this bike. You really have that confidence, like, you know, you know what the bike is going to do. You know what it's capable of. If you do X, Y, Z, it's going to do X, Y, Z. It's not like if you say do X, it's going to do Z. No, you say X, I'm going to do X. Oh my God, I need to get back on the track. I need to get back on the track. Oh my God. Oh. I need to get back on the track. Oh my God. Woo! Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. And I'm so excited, Willis just updated, yeet! Killing it! I'm so excited, Willis just updated, God almighty! Willis just updated the available bikes they can tune and customize. And I'm telling you, bro, I am 100% confident. With Evan back there, bro, it's about to be stupid. It's about to be stupid. Oh yeah, yep, that's why I got EJR Performance on my bike. That's why I got him. That's exactly why I got him. Oh, Groot just destroyed me through that, boy. Now I don't know this area, so I definitely got to hang back a little bit more. I don't know bumps, I don't know nothing, but I'm gonna follow my man Groot. wasn't even full throttle, just okay, so what has me excited is oh, that was butter. Okay, so what has me excited is typically at 11 that thing flattened out. Typically at 11 it flattened out. You definitely felt the power drop off, but this is still pulling. It still has power. So I am extremely, I'm ready. I'm good on the rideability part. I'm ready to get this daggone throttle. Oh, I'm ready to get the throttle. That's crazy. Uh-oh. Oopsie daisy. And this bike is lowered 2 1/4 in front and 2 inches in the rear. And it's perfectly fine. I mean, I'm telling y'all, it's not as bad as what people may make it seem to be. All right, bro. All right. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Okay. Okay. Okay, woo. I don't think I need the straps for second gear, 60 mile an hour roll, but I know this bike is a first gear bike, and that's what it's meant to be. It's wet. This prevent me from doing the good out here. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, Evan, you got to chill, bro. You got to have chill. That's Evan, you got to chill, bro. You got to relax, bro. You got to stop doing stuff like that. Holy crap! Okay, so I'm comparing it to stock. When it was stock, and now with full throttle shifted, it wouldn't try to teeter nothing. This one, when I shift, the front wheel is teetering off the ground every shift. Uh-oh, one time. Yep, I'm done. Your boy's going home. These gears are so daggum tall anyway. And you know what? I don't even know where I'm shifting at. I might be still locked into where Deadshot shifts at, so we got to do that again. I might still be locked into where Deadshot shifts at. This is not the same bike, bro. This is not the same bike. Yes! Oh my goodness, that's what I needed it. Woo, I needed it. I'm yelling, my voice is about to go out. You know what, that's rude. You done came to my channel, I'm all yelling in the ear. I am so sorry. But oh my God, this thing feels good, bro. Let's try it. We're gonna do first gear 60. Oh no! Wow! In third gear, dropped it. Oh my God! Did you see that? Do that? That's the wheel coming up off the ground. Holy crap! And I don't even think my shift points are right yet. Hold on. I'm gonna have to redeem myself. Hold on. You just come up on traffic way too fast. Holy crap! Boy, woo! This is about to be nasty. Oh, look at all this traffic. Yep. Dang, I guess that's gonna be it, because I ain't gonna be able to get no hits in this traffic. But look, man, I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what it is. It's one shot, Deadshot. Dude Mungus.
No monkey. It looks like a water. Thank you for watching, dude. No monkey. No monkey. Thank you for watching, dudes. No monkey.
Just listen to this auto blip. Butter. It might be rivaling that DudeMungus 3000. It just might be.